not said that I was leaving, but I just couldn't say goodbye. It was only self-deceiving to walk away from someone who means everything and lie to you. You learn from every lonely day. I've learned and I've come back to stay. Let me try